Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix an unknown error occurred in Roblox on PC. This error occurs when you try to access settings tab or when you try to switch age on Roblox or while accessing any settings in Roblox. Here follow the steps to fix an unknown error occurred Roblox on PC. First, we need to clear the Roblox cache file from the browser. To do so, click on three dots, then click on settings, then click on privacy and settings, then we close Roblox, click on third parties and cookies, then click on see all site data and permission. Here search for Roblox, click on trash icon and click on delete to confirm. Next, we need to clear the Roblox cache files from PC as well. To do this, press Windows plus R key to open run box. In run box, type %local app data % and hit enter. Here look for temp folder, open it. Then here look for Roblox folder, right click on it and select delete to delete it. At last, we need to disable extension from the browser. To do so, click on extension icon, then click on manage extension and disable all the extension one by one. It might conflict with Roblox, and after that you can check an unknown error occurred is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.